Ang kapaman, katunto. Dito kami sa Fairwood Restaurant kasi wala kaming makain sa bahay. There. Mag-hotpot tayo. Kasi hindi kami tinawagan sa pick home. So, lumabas kami ngayon. There. Nagbaon kami ng noodles for extra. Wala kaming extra gulay, kaya nagbaon kami ng noodle. There. Nagbaon kami ng extra noodle.
Long cookie.
Yes. Long cookie.
See?
There, nag-hotpot noodles sila. There. Let's do hotpot. There, it's very exciting dinner. Hotpot. There. Red bean. Yeah. Mr. Ling still sleepy. See, he sleep a lot during the day. Yeah. Sleepy face. See the face is angry because he wants to sleep the whole day and night. Ay, good Lord. At least hindi kami naimbita sa pick home, so nilabas namin siya magbabayad. Bye for now, mga Team Kalingap dyan, mga busy kayo dyan. Na-vlog ko lang kasi mamaya live si Kuya Bal, so I cannot do the live. Bye for now, everyone there. Thank you.